Begin by setting the tablecloth. Now, set the charger in the middle of the setting. Next is the main course plate. Place a dinner fork at the left side and the dinner knife at the right side. Place a salad fork outside the dinner fork. Then, a salad knife outside the dinner knife. If you're serving soup, soup comes first, so place the soup spoon at the right side of the salad knife. Now, place the dessert spoon at the top with its handle facing the right side so it will be easier to move when serving dessert. For the dessert fork, it's actually the other way around. Place the dessert fork facing the left side so it will be easier to move later. Traditionally, the napkin is placed at the left side, but you can put it under the forks. To save up some space, we can also put it on the plates. Any glasswares will be placed at the top right corner. Finally, set out flowers, candlesticks, or any centerpiece decorations you like. And there you have it, table setup. First and foremost, welcome the guest into the restaurant and accompany them to their respective dining area. Serve water or any other kinds of aperitifs that they would like. Present the guest with the menu. Explain the menu and daily specials. Ask them if they have any further questions or special requirements. If the guest is done choosing, take their food orders and repeat them for confirmation. Serve the soup or salad to the guest. Observe when the guest is finished. Ask permission and clear the plate and utensils. Serve the main course to the guest. When they're done, ask permission to clear the plate and utensils. And now, move the dessert spoon to the right and the dessert fork to the left. After that, serve the dessert. When the guest is finished eating, present the bill. When they're done paying, bid them farewell. Lastly, clean the table. Thank you for watching.